Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share the one of the machine learning method, decision tree. This method mimic the tree structure. This is the root, and the final is called leaf. For example, in this example, the target class is yes or no. And the problem is how to choose this node or the test attribute. Okay, we have some equation called expected information I. This is the class. If yes or no, there is S1, S2 only. And also we have the entropy, the degree of irregularity. This is there is a weight. Each attribute have their own class. And finally, we have the gain of an attribute. The higher gain will the potential become a node. Okay, we have an example. This is from the famous data mining book from the author is Hans and Camber. We see there is a 4 variable or 4 feature in machine learning called feature with one target, buying a computer or no. No, yes, yes. And every attribute there is a class. For example, income, there is high, medium, and low. First, we calculate the expected information for the class buy or no. And we calculate using this equation, we found 0.94. Okay, we continue. And now we have to calculate the gain information for each feature. First, the egg. There is three class in this egg called below 13, 32, 40, and up more than 40. We see that there is a 2 yes and 3 no. We see there is 2 yes for egg under 30 and 1, 2 no. See, and we calculate using this equation for age is 0.971, and also we continue to calculate for age 31 to 40 and more than 40. The result you can see the result here. See 0 and 0.971. Okay, for the age we get the entropy age is, this is the use 5. 5 is from the 5, 4, and 5. So 5, 4, and 5, and 14 is all the data. This is the class for yes or no, yes or no, yes or no for each class of egg, and we get the gain 0.246. Okay, we continue to the second feature, income. Similar method, we calculate first the high. High, there is a 2 yes, 2 yes and 2 no. All is 4. And the information gain is 1. And also for medium, medium, you have to count the number of yes and no, and then calculate using this equation of the information gain information, yeah, and for the law, etc. And finally, we get the gain of the income is using this equation 0.911, and this is the total of gain minus this income gain 0.029. And the second and the third is the student. We have only two to get to class, yes or no, student or non-student. And for yes, there is six, and only one is no, not buying a computer. And we have the expected information 0.592, and for the no 0.985, and finally we get the gains information of the student is 0.151. And similar method we use for the credit rating, we get the gain of information 0.0448. So we have the highest gain information is the egg. In the tree, the egg become the first test attribute or the root in this tree. There is three class for the eggs under 30, 31 to 40, and more than 40 years. We then generate for each brand the new data outside the egg. This is the income, student, and credit rating with each class for the age under 30, under 31. And this is for more than 40, and this is the middle. You see that in the middle egg, all the answer is yes. So this become a leaf or the final. So if the x 30 to 40, it should be by, it may be by the computer. For this and this, we have to calculate again the similar result and the similar method before this and this. And finally, we have the student as attribute test and credit rating for test attribute for the egg or all egg. If the credit is excellent, they usually do not buy. If the credit rating is fair, it should be predict yes. Fair it means that these people is always use credit card in every store, every market. There is a young student usually buy the computer, and if people is middle age 31 to 40, they also will buy the computer. Okay, how to implement in the Python? First, we have to convert this data into this number. For example, below 30 is 0, middle x is 1, and more than 40 is 2. And 0 is not by, 1 is by, and extra. And then we try to implement using the Google Colab, Pandas, using scikit-learn for this tree classifier. This is a data CSV file we have to upload to the Google Colab. And this is the data preparation using Pandas. And then we train the decision tree with maximum depth 2, for example, criterion entropy, and etc. You can see in the manual of decision tree classifier in scikit-learn site. And we can also plot the figure. As information in this scikit-learning, we use a binary tree. It different with the previous manual calculation that one node had 3, more than 2, yeah, 3 sometimes. And in this example, we only use two branch. If for each node, this is binary. Okay, binary. This is the result that there is a two kind. Filter 2 is a student. There is a two branch, student non-student and student. This is non-student and this is student. And we see there is in student, usually they buy the computer, and for non-student, there is two kind with for the age, for the age more than in middle age. This is 1 or 2, usually by the computer. And then we can use this model to predict. For example, we have one test, age old, and income is middle, and credit student non-student, and it's credit rating 0. We use this function in predict and we test. The result is 1. Okay, that's we try to implement using this real Google Colab. You can use new notebook and separate if using the cell. Okay, I want one cell and second cell. We have to upload the data. You have to see. You have to ensure that there is a data. See here, and we prepare the data using pandas, PD, and we use decision tree classifier and train using fit method. And this is plus this is the result. Filter 2 non-student and student. Non-student age under 30, the student greater than 30, and etc. We also can use plot the tree, the binary tree actually here, and we test the classifier. I changed this one. Okay, I changed one feature. For example, is 0. Okay, this is the result for one test. Okay, you have to try this method. And there is another similar method for the tree is random forest. We will discuss next. Okay, thank you very much.